Young Smurf, I finally jumped on this beat, man. Check this out. Excuse me, my niggas, who got the swishers? My niggas smoking Keisha, so come and smoke her with us. Where's the bad bitches? If you're one to get up, this young Smurf nigga. Remember the name, the same nigga who was spitting at them basketball games. The holy nigga front page, I paid off for the fame. My bitch bad, with a big ass, I stay with a dame. Fuck a dime, I'm uptight.
What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Young Smurf.
It's your boy J Mike the Masterpiece.
It's your boy Young Blow, aka Mr. Wonderful, you know what I'm saying?
Mr. Motivated Records, you dig, you know what I'm saying? We're about to get ready to go to this 3rd annual All White Affair with your boy Burner, Motivated, Smurf, Amchino, Freeze. I ain't naming everybody, I'm just naming them some niggas I know. Little Rue, you dig? But tonight, we're gonna blaze the stage.
As normal.
As normal. Then I'm gonna show y'all some footage afterwards of us kicking it in the club. Check us out, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what it is. Search Motivated Records. Young Smurf, Ohio. It is what it is. As you can see, we fresh as fuck, all white.
As usual.
You know what I'm saying? That's how we do. And I will get back with y'all. Motivated. Yeah. What's up, man? What's good with y'all? As you can see, we ain't here. Everybody to blaze.
They gonna get dirty regardless.
And it's cracking. Everybody know all white. Everybody looking good. Ladies looking good. You know what I'm saying? Niggas get their swag on. It's motivated. You know what I'm saying? Young Smurf. Y'all know what it is. So, stay tuned to a great show. I'm killing it. You killing it?
I'm killing it regardless.
Killing it?
I ain't got nothing.
No words?
No worries.
I'm killing it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm a pimp, I'm a Mac, I got these hoes around the Mac, and they be high, and when they do, I holla back, and they be high, and when they do, I holla back, I'm a pimp, I'm a Mac, I got these hoes around the Mac, and they be high, and when they do, I holla back, and they be high, and when they do, I holla back.
That's Smurf check, baby. Got all these ladies so crazy attacking me on the daily. They asking to have my baby. The main attraction to ladies, Dick Gaby driving them crazy. Tell her this can be hers, then I persuade her to pay me. I got a deep pocket cougar I've been chilling with lately. She ain't no milk, but she freaky. Somebody please come and save me. I'm a pimp, I'm a Mac. I got hoes around the map. This youngin' gon' bring that thunder, and I can get your groove back. So when they holler, then I holler. Got mamas who got that guala. If it's wet, then it's a rap. I'm moving across the map. On to another chick for the fun of it. Sophisticated, stunning chicks. Someone who ain't on other shit. My independent gutter chick. She cooking clean, steam my jeans and don't get mad, but she can leave. Cause she know I got a girl. Her position is low key. She only call me when her body is on E. I got so many different chicks I can never be lonely. I'm a pimp, I'm a Mac, I got these hoes around the Mac, and they be high, and when they do, I holla back, and they be high, and when they do, I holla back, I'm a pimp, I'm a Mac.
We at the motherfucking spot about to do the show. Nigga, it's Motivated, nigga, TV, nigga. Young Smurf, nigga, this is called on the camera, nigga. We doing our motherfucking thing, nigga. We doing our fucking thing, nigga. Smurf, nigga. Motherfuckers stay here, nigga.
Once again, guys, thank you for coming. Thanks for getting us that all night party tonight. We got Motivated Record in the building. Pharmacy Junior, Double Boys, always. We got Fluffy Crew in the building. Take this, all the they got you.
I
That's that 6 for 7. I'm gonna show you some bars. I'm gonna show you some bars real quick. Young Smurf is in this shit. Real nigga. Let's go. Yo, I'm so sick. Let's get it in. I'm the king of the game. I'm going out with this. I'm here to the back, to the mic, and then up in a few times. Not the oldest, but this is real. How you get it out? Nick, king of the game. I'm in the magic. They call me Arizona. I'm the best. Show them the road. Black and more beats. Show them if I can go. Do this for hey, wait, they motivated. Make it rain for my people. Trying to be all my people. They don't see no time. We must people got to play it. Wait, time. Come in by my name. I'll make her bed rock. She calling me. This is the life I chose, I can't match. It got its benefits, but privacy is what it lacks. Chanel, everything from head to toe. Yeah, that's who's in the building, bitch. John Smurf is killing shit. We walk with no face, like bullet shit. I bet I'm doing shit. Even if you paralyzed, I guarantee you do it. Show me who my amnesia. I bet they gon' remember this. Cause every time I do shit, but I step in, it's over with. No nuts, I told ya. Contract is over. The track gon' get quiet like it did. Niggas take home, sucker. They call me Mr. Square, and they call me Mr. Square, and now they call me Mr. Square, and now they call me Mr. Square, and now they call me Mr. Square. They call me Mr. Magic, and I will be her. So you don't give her ever.